Okay, so last week I was in a meeting and I needed to use the bathroom, right? And I said, "Can I use the bathroom?" And my manager just looked at me with this weird expression.
Oh, no!
Yeah, I was so confused. Like, I can use it, obviously. I'm not asking if I'm physically able to walk there.
You were asking for permission, but you used can, which is technically about ability.
Exactly. Should I have said, "May I?" But that sounds like I'm in elementary school.
This is so common. Hey everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. And if you've ever been confused about can, could, may, and might, you're not alone.
Today we're going to break down these 4 modal verbs in the simplest way possible.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which one to use and when. No more freezing up.
We've got real examples, practice moments, and honestly, a game-changing trick that'll make this super easy.
And hey, if you're new here, welcome. We make English learning actually fun.
Hit that subscribe button because we post new lessons every week, and they're way better than your boring textbook.
All right, let's fix this modal verb confusion once and for all.
Okay, so let's start with the big one. Can versus could.
These two are like cousins. They're related but different.
Perfect analogy. So can is all about ability, what you're able to do right now.
So, like, I can speak English?
Exactly. You have the ability. I can swim, I can drive, I can cook.
Okay, that makes sense. So can is like I'm capable of doing this thing.
Yes, and we also use can for casual permission, like with friends or family.
Oh, so can I have some water when I'm at my friend's house?
Perfect. That's casual, friendly permission. But here's where it gets interesting.
Uh-oh.
Could is basically the polite or past version of can.
Wait, what? So it's both polite and past tense?
I know, confusing. Let me break it down. For past ability, I could swim when I was younger.
Oh, so like I could run really fast as a kid.
Exactly, past ability. But here's the cool part. We also use could to be more polite in the present.
So instead of can I use the bathroom, I should say could I use the bathroom?
Yes, that sounds way more polite and professional.
But it's not about the past?
Nope. In this case, it's just being more polite. Think of could as the fancy version of can.
Okay, so can I borrow your pen to my friend, but could I borrow your pen to my boss?
Perfect. You're getting it. This is actually making sense. Can equals casual, could equals polite.
Or could equals past ability. Context is everything. All right, give me some more examples so I can practice this.
Sure, let's do a quick game. I'll give you a situation, you tell me can or could.
I'm ready.
Okay, you're texting your best friend. You want to borrow their car. What do you say?
Can I borrow your car?
Perfect. Casual, friendly. Next one. You're emailing your professor. You need to reschedule a meeting.
Ooh, that's formal. Could I reschedule our meeting?
Excellent. You're totally getting this. One more. You're talking about your childhood.
Okay. When I was a kid, I could run really fast, but now I can't.
Yes, you used both. Could for past and can't for present ability.
Wait, this is actually pretty straightforward once you see the pattern.
Right? It's not as scary as it seems. The key is just thinking, am I talking about now or the past? Am I being casual or polite?
And for everyone watching, pause and try this yourself. Think of your own examples.
Good idea. Think about something you can do now. Say it out loud.
And then think about something you could do as a kid but can't do anymore.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay, so we've got can and could down. What about may and might?
Oh, these are interesting. They're actually pretty similar to each other.
So why do we have both?
Great question. Let's talk about it. All right, so may and might are both about possibility, things that might happen or might not happen.
So, like, it might rain tomorrow?
Perfect. Or it may rain tomorrow. Both work.
Wait, so they're the same?
Almost. Here's the subtle difference. Might is a little less certain than may.
So might is like maybe, but probably not.
Kind of. Might is less likely. May is a bit more possible.
So I might go to the party means I probably won't, but I may go to the party means there's a better chance.
Exactly. But honestly, most native speakers use them pretty interchangeably in casual conversation.
Okay, so they're basically the same for talking about possibilities. Got it.
But here's where may is different. We also use may for formal permission.
Like, may I instead of can I?
Yes, may I use the restroom is super formal and polite.
So that's what I should have said in my meeting.
Exactly. May I is very formal. Could I is polite but friendlier. Can I is casual.
Okay, so we have like levels of politeness?
Yes, let me show you the scale. This is gonna blow your mind.
I'm ready for my mind to be blown.
Okay, imagine you're asking to leave work early. Here are your options from most casual to most formal.
Okay, hit me.
Most casual, can I leave early?
Okay, that's like asking your supervisor you're cool with.
Exactly. Next level, could I leave early?
More polite, more professional.
Right. And the most formal, may I leave early?
That sounds super respectful, like I'm really asking for permission.
Exactly. So you choose based on the situation and relationship.
This is so useful. I've been using can for everything.
Most people do, but now you know the difference. Let's practice with some real scenarios.
Yes, I need to practice this.
Okay, scenario 1. You're at a coffee shop. You want to sit at a table that has someone's bag on one chair.
Ooh, okay. Could I sit here?
Perfect. Polite, but not overly formal. Scenario 2. You're in a job interview. You want to ask a question.
Oh, that's formal. May I ask a question?
Excellent. You could also say could I, but may I shows extra respect.
I'm getting good at this.
You are. Okay, last scenario. You're texting your roommate about using their laptop.
Easy. Can I use your laptop?
Perfect. Casual, friendly. See? You totally understand the politeness levels now.
Okay, but what about might? We kind of skipped over that.
Good catch. Might is only for possibility, not permission.
So I can't say, might I leave early?
Technically you could, but you'd sound like you're from the 1800s.
Good sir, might I have a spot of tea?
Exactly. Don't use might for permission, only for talking about possibilities.
So might is like I might be late or it might snow.
Yes, things that could happen, but you're not sure.
Okay, let me see if I can summarize this for everyone.
Go for it.
Can equals ability or casual permission. Could equals past ability or polite requests. May equals formal permission or possibility. Might equals possibility, but less certain than may.
That's actually perfect.
Did I really just summarize modal verbs?
You did, and honestly, that's all you need to remember.
Wait, but what about common mistakes? I want to know what not to do.
Ooh, good point. The biggest mistake is using can in formal situations.
Like my bathroom situation.
Exactly. In professional settings, use could or may instead of can.
What else?
People mix up can and may for permission. Remember, can is about ability, may is about permission.
So, can I come in is technically asking if I'm able to come in, not if I'm allowed to?
Exactly. But honestly, in casual conversation, everyone uses can for permission, and it's totally fine.
But for formal situations, use may or could.
Perfect. You've got it. Okay, here's the trick that'll make you remember this forever.
I love tricks.
Think of a ladder. At the bottom, you've got can, casual, friendly, bottom rung.
Okay, I'm visualizing a ladder.
Middle rung is could, climbing up to more polite.
So could is like the middle ground.
Exactly. And at the very top of the ladder is may, the most formal and polite.
So if I'm talking to my friend, I'm at the bottom of the ladder. If I'm talking to my boss, I'm climbing higher.
Yes. Bottom rung, friends, family, use can. Middle rung, colleagues, acquaintances, use could. Top rung, bosses, professors, formal situations, use may.
This is brilliant. It's like a politeness elevator.
I like that. A politeness elevator.
And might is just hanging out on the side being like, hey, maybe something will happen.
Perfect. Might is not even on the ladder. It's just doing its own thing, talking about possibilities.
I'm literally never going to forget this now.
That's the goal. Visual tricks like this make grammar stick.
Okay, everybody watching, imagine that ladder right now. Can at the bottom, could in the middle, may at the top.
All right, let's practice together. I'm going to give you situations and you choose can, could, may, or might.
Let's do this.
Okay, everyone watching, say your answers out loud. Ready?
Situation 1.
You're asking your sister if you can borrow her sweater.
Okay, casual situation, family. Can I borrow your sweater?
Perfect. Next, you're not sure if you'll attend the meeting tomorrow.
Ooh, possibility. I might attend the meeting, or I may attend the meeting.
Both work. Good job. Okay, next one. You're asking your teacher for an extension on an assignment.
That's formal. May I have an extension? Or maybe, could I have an extension?
Both are great. I'd probably go with could because it's polite but not overly formal.
This is getting easier.
It is. Okay, harder one. You're talking about your abilities as a child.
Past tense. When I was a kid, I could ride my bike without hands.
Excellent. Last one. You're asking a stranger on the train if you can sit next to them.
Ooh, polite but not super formal. Could I sit here?
Perfect. You nailed every single one.
I actually feel confident about this now.
And that's because you practiced. Everyone watching, you just practiced with us.
Try making your own sentences now. Use all 4. Can, could, may, might.
And notice which ones you use in real conversations this week.
Yeah, like pay attention when you're asking for stuff or talking about possibilities.
You'll start noticing the patterns everywhere. Okay, let's recap what we learned today.
Can is for ability and casual permission. I can speak English. Can I borrow your phone?
Could is for past ability and polite requests. I could swim as a kid. Could I ask you something?
May is for formal permission and possibility. May I come in? It may rain later.
And might is for possibility, usually less certain. I might go to the party. It might snow.
Plus the ladder trick. Bottom to top, can, could, may.
And you practiced with real scenarios, so this is already in your brain.
Next time you need to ask for something, you'll automatically know which one to use.
You're gonna feel so confident.
Okay, so if this helped you finally understand modal verbs, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button.
Seriously, we make new lessons like this every week, and they're way more fun than traditional grammar classes.
Plus, there's so much more coming. We've got tense confusion, phrasal verbs, all the stuff that trips people up.
So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.
And drop a comment. Which modal verb was the most confusing for you? Can, could, may, or might?
Yeah, let us know. We love hearing from you guys.
And if you have a friend who's learning English and mixes these up, share this episode with them.
They'll thank you for it.
All right, thanks so much for learning with us today.
You did great. Now go practice using these in real life.
Start with small things. Ask for permission politely at work or school.
Notice when other people use them.
And remember, you've got this.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.